Hello daar, all my students, all my scholars, all my learners, all my parents of learners, and my neurodiverse community, ons wat anders te omdink, VIP, my Afrikaans First Additional Language Learners. En ons is besig met die Afrikaanse First Additional Language reeks, 'n series. And we are currently going good at it now, met jou autistic teacher and mentor, Bella Jansen. Now, today we are going to take a look at 3 big terminology words. Ja, dit maak ons baie deurmekaar. 'n basis, 'n afleiding en 'n samestellende afleiding. Okay, kom ons kyk na die eerste een. 'n basis. Nou, 'n basis, 'n base, is the word in its simplest form. Wat beteken? It cannot be more simple. Now, it's already the base word. Soos byvoorbeeld slaap. We cannot get easier than slaap. Eet, staan, sit, tas. Nah? It's my single base. I cannot get easier than that. Now, I can also call it a stam. Now, remember when we did the kop van die advertensie? 'n stam is net 'n fancy word vir die basis. My base word. It cannot get any easier. Nou, die tweede ene is my afleiding. Now, 'n afleiding is nothing else but a base with a tail. Haha, this is what an afleiding is. I just put a tail to my base. For example, geslaap. Ge is my front tail and slaap is my base. Right. Tasse. Tas, né, suitcase, is my basis en se is my tail. So that's what an afleiding is. A basis with a tail, either at the front or at the back or both sides. Let's take a look at gebreekte. Ja, be good. Gebreekte, broken. Afleiding. Right. How do I change gebreekte back to basis? I just remove the tails. I take the ge away. I take the te away. And what is left? Breek. So it's something easier than breek? No. Alright. Now we get to number 3. 'n samestellende afleiding. Nee. 'n samestellende afleiding. Now that is nothing else but 2 bases plus a tail. Easy. For example, sjokoladekoeke. Sjokolade, my first base. Koek, my second base. And the E for the plural koeke, né? My tail. Dieretuin. Samestellende afleiding. Why? It is 2 bases plus a tail. In this case, the tail is in the middle. Dier, basis 1. Tuin, basis 2. And then the little E, that is my tail. So before we take a look at some examples, kom ons kyk gou. 'n basis is the word in its simplest form. Kan nie nog makliker nie. En wat doen ek om 'n woord in 'n basis te kry? I just take away the tails. 'n afleiding is 'n basis met 'n stert. A base with a tail. Right. En 'n samestellende afleiding. We basically put the 2 together. 2 bases plus a tail. Okay, Let's look at some examples. If I say geslaap, what is that? Dit is 'n afleiding, want dit is my basis plus 'n duil. Now, how do I change geslaap back to basis? I just take away my duil. And what's my word in its simplest form? Slaap. As easy as that. Right. The next one. Tasse. Wat is dit? Dit is 'n afleiding because it's a base with a tail. Now, how do I change it back to basis? I just remove my tail. Shap, shap. And then, wat bly oor? Tas. And it can't get more easier than that. Kinders. Children. Wat is dit? Dit is 'n afleiding. Why? Because we've got a basis with a tail. So how do we get it back to basis? I just cancel take away my tail, and what is left? Kind. Voila. Yes? Now I say I'm going to give you 2 words. Ek gaan vir jou 2 woorde gee. Dan moet jy 'n samestellende afleiding maak. So I give you the 2 words. Tafel plus doek. And I ask you, please make 'n samestellende afleiding van tafel en doek. Alright, what do we know? 'n samestellende afleiding is 2 basisse plus 'n stertjie. Nee, 'n tail. Right. So I'm going to add these 2 together. It's like, dit is soos Afrikaanse maths. Nee. Tafel, doek, and now I show the tail. Easy. I say, tafeldoeke. Beautiful. And there you got it. So this is how easy 'n basis, 'n afleiding en 'n samestellende afleiding is. Remove the tail, put back the tail. Remove the tail, put back the tail. Basis, just the word. Afleiding, the word plus 'n tail. Samestellende afleiding, 2 basisse plus 'n tail. Magic! Dit is so maklik soos wat dit kan kom. Kyk uit vir jou 2 gedigte, Snoek en Ek het 'n huisie aan die rand kry 11s. En gee vir my daai subscribe, hit me, comments in your questions in the comments, and when I see you later, dan gaan ons aan.